This video I will show how you can find and use all of these bots on KuCoin because they provide all of them for free. Spot Grid Bot, Futures Grid Bot, Infinity Grid Bot, DCA Bot, and also other bots for free. I have been on KuCoin already since 2017 and I created my first video about it already back in January 2018, so I know their platform extremely well. And when you want to start on KuCoin, you need to create the 100% free account, and I will leave you a link in the description right here below the video where you can get welcome rewards on KuCoin. After clicking the link below my video, you will land on KuCoin registration page and you will create your account on the right hand side using your email address or phone number. Click here to create your account and claim the rewards. Once you are inside KuCoin, you can start redeeming your welcome rewards right here in the rewards hub. But today we are going to focus on KuCoin Trading bots that you can find really easily right here on the trade section, trading bot. I will start by giving you an overview of how these different bots work. I will reveal which one is my number one recommended bot. The first bot from the right hand side is called DCA, dollar cost averaging, and as you can see right here, it will get more Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency for you regularly. For example, every day, every week, every 2 weeks, or even every hour if you want to take so frequently. Here you can start using this bot even with just 2 USDT, and the more frequently the better, because Bitcoin is the strongest asset on planet Earth. You can simply click here create and the bot will be up and running for you automatically. Next we will go through the Spot Grid bot. That is probably the most popular crypto trading bot. With Spot Grid you can either use their automatic AI parameters or you can customize the parameters yourself. If I click here auto AI strategy, you can see that it fills out here also on the screen these green and red lines. Green lines mean that it will be buying at those prices. Red lines mean that the bot will be selling at those prices. So it buys low, sells high. Here you can see as well, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Next we will go through the Infinity Grid, and the difference between Spot Grid and Infinity Grid is that the Infinity Grid can go up all the way until infinity. Meanwhile the Spot Grid bot has a higher price when it will stop trading. Infinity Grid only has the minimum price, but it doesn't have an upper price, so it can trade all the way until infinity. The idea with KuCoin Infinity Grid is similar as with Spot Grid. You can see that it will be buying at the lower price and then selling at the higher price. Buying lower, selling higher. Futures Grid is kinda like a Spot Grid bot on steroids, which means that you can also lose money faster if you don't know what you are doing, and the reason for that is this one right here, leverage. It means that everything is amplified with Futures Grid bot. Another benefit of Futures Grid is that you can buy long and also sell short. They also provide a spot Martingale bot that buys, and then it sells. They call it buy the dip and sell the rip. The next one is Smart Rebalance. Here on the left hand side you can see different types of portfolios that you can choose into your portfolio, and Smart Rebalance bot. Here you can click any of these. If I click for example the first one, meme legend, it can click copy and create. You can see it automatically copies the coins right here, but I don't personally recommend this. I rather recommend using DCA with Bitcoin. If you are watching this video in the future, they may have added even more trading bots here that you can use. Now, which one of these automated trading bots do I recommend? I recommend you 2 different strategies. Either get Bitcoin regularly with the DCA bot or get Bitcoin regularly here on KuCoin Trade and Spot Trading. When you come here into KuCoin Spot, you can easily accumulate Bitcoin. Let me show how you can do it. You can choose here BTC USDT or any other trading pair you want. Then you can click here market to execute the trades immediately. You can choose here how much BTC you want. For example, 500 USDT. If I click here buy BTC, you can see that you immediately get more Bitcoin. If you want to accumulate Bitcoin automatically instead of using the manual spot trading, you can do it easily with the KuCoin DCA bot. If we compare 3 different strategies, getting Bitcoin directly on spot, using the Futures Grid bot, or getting Bitcoin with leverage on derivatives trading, derivatives is the highest risk. Second one is the Futures Grid, and getting Bitcoin directly on bot is the safest one. You will find all the links and resources discussed in today's video in the description right here. Ultimate guide and more. And